Welcome everyone. So today we will discuss about question number 4. Although we discussed about all these 5 questions yesterday, but today we will discuss about question number 4 once again in detail. So this question number 4 is, why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? Now this question, it is related with the factor surface area which we discussed. So one topic we discussed, which is factors affecting evaporation. That means there are certain factors which affect the rate of evaporation. There are in total 4 factors, and these 4 factors are surface area, temperature, humidity and wind speed. So this question, it is based on the factor surface area. We also discussed one activity given in the same topic of factors affecting evaporation. If you don't remember, please go through it. It's very easy. If you want to understand this concept of surface area, that how when surface area increases then rate of evaporation increases, you can also perform an activity at home. It's very easy. What you have to do, you have to take one glass and one saucer or a bowl, and in glass you have to take 100 ml of water, and in saucer also you have to take 100 ml of water. Now what you have to do, both these things you have to keep in the same condition. Wherever you are keeping, you have to keep both these things under the same condition. It can be any condition, like if you are keeping on your rooftop, then both these vessels, they should be kept on rooftop. Or if you are keeping this inside your room, then both this, it should be kept inside the room. So what you will find, after some time you will find that water which you have kept in saucer, it is evaporating at a much faster rate. How you will come to know? Because the level of water, it will fall very much faster as compared to the one where you have kept water in a glass. So here what is the reason? As all the other condition is same, like wind speed or temperature or humidity, as you have kept both these vessels at the under the same condition. The only difference here is surface area. So that is why when surface area increases, then rate of evaporation increases. So this is the reason that where you have kept water in a bowl, then there the rate of evaporation is much more faster as compared to the water where you have kept it in a glass. The same thing you have to apply it here as well, that why we are able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup. When you will say this question, that nothing is given related with evaporation or the concept related with evaporation, but actually it is related with that only. How? It is because why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster? When we will be able to sip, when it will become cool faster, then only we will be able to sip. Now how it will become cool? It will become cool by the process of evaporation. As we know that evaporation, it causes cooling. So what happens here, when you have kept hot tea or milk in a saucer, so the surface area is much more larger as compared to when you have kept hot tea or milk in a cup. So when the surface area is larger in case of a saucer, then rate of evaporation increases, and we know that evaporation causes cooling. So when rate of evaporation increases and the process of evaporation causes cooling, so hot tea or milk, when it is kept in saucer, then it becomes cool much more faster as compared to when it is kept in a cup. So this is the only reason which you can apply here. If you want, you can add all these 2 points. That means about the surface area, which is the most important point which you have to and which you should use in when you have to answer this question. If you want to just if this question is carrying more marks, then if you want to explain it bit more, then you can also explain about the how does evaporation cause cooling. That means when surface area is more in case of saucer, then rate of evaporation increases, and we know that the process of evaporation, it requires energy. So as it requires energy, energy is getting continuously lost in the process of evaporation, so it will try to regain energy from the surrounding, and here the surrounding becomes the tea or the milk which is kept in saucer itself. That means this whole thing will become the surrounding. So when the process of evaporation is taking place, then they are regaining energy from the surrounding, and when they are regaining energy from the surrounding, or you can say when it is losing energy, then it becomes cool much more faster. So this is the reason. If you what you have to do, you have to explain it in your own language, and you have to include these points. So that is about today. I just wanted to uh, give some more detail or give bit more explanation of this question. That is why. Thank you.